What's up, motorsports fan? Rat Salt here at the SEMA show. We're here in the Ford booth, and I'm standing next to Jeff Kaufman here, Silver Sports Transmissions, and we're going to talk about your 5-speed, 4-wheel drive transmission. Tell me a little bit about it, Jeff.
Yeah, so this was a great project to be a part of with Jay Leno's garage, SEMA garage, Ford Motorsports, and Tremec in general. So it's the Bronco has our new 40/50 heavy-duty 40/50 5-speed. So you get the best of both worlds with this. You got heavy-duty torque capacity. You've got a nice 616 low gear crawling gear. You got a 24% overdrive for highway use. So what this transmission does, it really fills a hole in the market. You know, if somebody's building a crawler or a K5 Blazer, you know, a Jeep JK, anything off-road capable, you get the best of both worlds in this transmission. So it fills a hole in the market right now where there's really nothing else out there for that type of build. So on this particular one here, we partnered with a company called Quick Draw brand, and he developed a new bell housing for the Ford modular engine. This has the Predator engine, but we can mount up to the Ford modular engine as well. But it's pretty cool.
So it's so great to see you guys offering a brand new transmission. You don't need to go down to a junkyard, buy one, rebuild it. You guys offer brand new ones and available for so many vehicles out there, brand new to the market.
Yeah, so GM, Ford, Mopar, we can do the Cummins B-Series R2.8, the SAE bell housings in the other engines, diesel engines. So Quick Draw brand, we've partnered with Quick Draw brand on this one for the modular bell housing for this particular build. You know, everybody's familiar with the TKO 5-speed and the Magnum 6-speed, the T56. You know, Tremec's quality is second to none, and the 40/50 is no less. So you got the same traditional Tremec quality in the 40/50 as you do all the other line.
And it's just so needed in the 4-wheel drive market. You know, so many new builds and everything coming out. So great to be able to have that offering.
Right, so you don't have to go down to the junkyard. You don't have to find rebuild parts. You know, if let's take an NV4500 for example. You know, they've been out of production for a number of years, so you have to buy rebuild parts and things like that. Most likely those parts are going to be made overseas, so the quality is not going to be the same as what you'd have had, you know, original equipment. So with Tremec, with the 40/50, you don't have to worry about that quality and strength.
Well, Jeff, great to hear that new product coming to market, brand new. I'm sure so many 4-wheel drive enthusiasts out there with their builds are going to be looking for you guys and putting those in their vehicle. So if you're building a 4-wheel drive and you don't want to buy a rebuilt transmission or have one built, check them out, Silver Sport Transmissions. He said the website, and we have more interviews and more product reviews coming your way right here from the SEMA show.